Hi, welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade recipes every week. I got a friend asked me how to cook spinach. While she prefers the nutrition, there are just so many ways to mix them in salad. I shared this effortless recipe which she loved, so I created this video hoping you all will enjoy it too. The tender shrimp creates the delicious seafood flavored sauce, forming a wonderful combo with the spinach. What's more, the dish provides an excellent balance of protein, fiber, mineral, and vitamins. Ready? Let's start. The main ingredients, you got it. The shrimp, frozen or fresh, I'm using frozen, and spinach. Then defrost the shrimp and clean the spinach. Chop some red chili pepper. If you don't like spicy food, skip this step. Mince a few garlic cloves. In a little bowl, let's prepare for the sauce. Cooking wine, oyster sauce, salt, garlic powder, and starch. Add a half cup of water, mix. Now we're gonna season and tenderize the shrimp. Add salt, a bit cooking wine, and a teaspoon of starch. Next, put the spinach in boiling water. After a minute, add a bit cooking oil. Wait until the spinach gets soft, take them out. This only takes about a minute. Please do not wait for too long unless you prefer soggy spinach. In a heated pan, add cooking oil. Stir fry the red chili pepper and the garlic for about a minute. Add the shrimp. Stir fry until the shrimp color turns solid. Add the sauce in. Simmer until the liquid gets thicker and large bubbles pop up. Turn out the heat. Pour the mixture on top of the spinach. Ta-da! Time to enjoy. The shrimp is so tender and well seasoned. The spinach is soft and with enough texture to satisfy our mouth and stomach. Yum! Alright, thank you for staying until the end of the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and see you around.